What's good, everybody? I was just making sure it was recording. We got another trade recap. Basically today. All right, coming today, 2 a.m. 2 a.m. I actually started 2 a.m. I was actually looking very bearish for the morning. Okay, basically because, I mean, I actually didn't hop onto the market until like like 7. Okay, so I was bearish because we're looking at the 4 hour, fat 4 hour candle. I know there's no fair value gaps here, so I was like, okay, that's calm. Let me hop on that 1 hour. 1 hour. Inverse this 1 hour busy. Okay. We trade up into another fair value gap, only 1 hour fair value gap. We respect it. We drop lower. Okay. So in this case, right, if this is previous day high and this is previous day low, and we have these FVGs being respected, in my head, I'm like, bro, I bet. I'm probably going to take out this 4 hour, okay? Or previous day low. Now, in the morning, right, we get an SMT with ES. So ES taps into this 1 hour, but the NASDAQ does not. Okay, so I'm waiting till 9:30, okay? And basically, 9:30 hits, okay? I ain't gonna cap. I low-key really wanted to short, like, off something like if we tap back into 5, I would have shorted. So like, oh, tapping up into this 5, but like, that's not really like how I be trading, bro. Because even though we tap into a 5 minute up here, like, there's no fair value gap for me to even like go off of. I mean, maybe like this 30-second would have been nice, but it was so wicky that like I was like, nah, let me chill. All right. We drop all the way down, okay, to the 4 hours that I originally wanted price to hit, but we didn't hit it again. I think there was another SMT there. Look, in the morning, right? 4 hour, this is ES, okay? ES taps down into it. Once ES tapped into this 4 hour, NASDAQ did not. Another SMT. I was like, okay, bro. I originally was bearish, bro, but since we hit like this like 4 hour, like I could probably catch a long for it to target like these highs. And that 1 hour like fair value gap from earlier. And basically, well, I was like, okay, I'll just keep waiting and waiting. Got this nice push. Don't inverse that gap. I was like, nah. This one, okay. I actually almost entered this 1 minute, but you know why? See, this is why I gotta wait for the highest time frame, because I'm pretty sure on the 2 minute did not inverse it, but on the 1 minute it looked like it inversed it, right? So good thing I didn't enter that, because I would have crashed. Then we got another push, and then I was like, okay. It was a bit choppy at this moment, so I wasn't too sure. So because of how choppy it was, I was like, bro, if we inverse this gap, then I'll be confident, because it's like, okay, then it's really showing that, yo, we do not want to go down. These gaps, obviously, like the lower time frame, there's gaps that are being filled. So I was waiting for that 3 minute to be inverse just to give me more confirmation. Boom, right there. So once price, like when this candle was actually printing out, it just looked so strong that I was like, bro, I low-key entered like slightly earlier, right before it actually closed. Okay, and then this black line that I have, okay, someone's calling me right now, but I'll finish this real quick. This black line, 5 minute inside a fair value gap, so I was like, maybe I go break even there, but it was so close to my stop that I didn't. So we got this big push. I was like, oh, I might go break even. I didn't go break even because it came all the way down. Now, I actually almost closed price here, like my stop. But in my head, I was gonna exit, right? But in my head, I'm like, bro, if we respect this fair value gap, if this doesn't close below it, then I'm gonna hold it out. And look at what happened. Played out pretty nice. And then once we pushed into that 1 hour, that black light runs at the 1 hour FVG, targeted a 1-to-1. Not even gonna troll. I low-key want to target midnight price, but I just wanted to secure my 1-to-1 because that's what I'm used to backtesting. And look, we hit that, and it just said nah. So yeah. Oh yes. So yeah. Today's trade recap. Pretty chill trade. I think it was like 3 3 something. This was the actual execution. See, this was on the 1 minute, but of course it looks better on it looks high on the 3 minute, but yeah, we hit that though, I bet.